Hey, it's Jason with AMI Detail. Just got these pumps that I've been using quite a bit for products, and it really works well. They pump a quarter ounce per stroke. So for rinseless, with two pumps, and you can see that it that gets your half ounce that you put per gallon. So um, just kind of scale it up from there if you're doing more than 1 gallon. The really cool part is Incredible Suds. This is one that I hear so many people talk about how wonderful the soap is, but the one thing they don't like is the how thick it is. With the pump, you can see, 4 pumps, again, metered out, equals that, 1 ounce of product. That's usually what we're putting in a foam cannon. So you can see, like, this is really shows what people fight with. You go to pour it out, and it just sticks to the container, and so you can see here, just waiting on it to get out of there. Um, so it's really, I can see where people just don't care for that experience. So even when you add some water to it, I went ahead and agitated, trying to kind of get it off the wall of the measuring cup there. By the way, I picked up the measuring cup from Target. It's just a little one there. It's kind of cool. You can even do the reading from the top side as you pour pour it in. You can see, so even after I agitated some, pour it out, there's still some residue left that just doesn't want to come out. So here's the cool thing. Go ahead and take your foam cannon. You can have your water in there already. I pretty much just eyeballed up to around that 970 milliliters, leaving that last 30 milliliter, roughly 1 ounce for Incredible Suds. 4 pumps puts it at just the right amount of Incredible Suds in the foam cannon. Put your top on. And it can showing you that it's basically brought it right up to the full 1,000 milliliter line. And again, being a thicker soap, we do the shake, shake, shake. MJJC works great. It's got that weighted ball, kind of helps stir it up. And little swirling tornado action afterwards. But from there, you got all ready for great foam from a great product. And really no mess to deal with. Hope this helps someone.